Stop saying, "I will visit my family" every time you talk about your weekend plans.
Wait, what? But isn't that grammatically correct?
It's grammatically okay, but it makes you sound like a 1990s textbook. It's way too formal.
Oh no. I say that all the time. What do native speakers actually say?
Today, we're fixing how you talk about the future so you sound natural, not robotic.
I need this. I always feel so stiff when I'm explaining my upcoming trips.
Lesson 1. If you've already made the decision, you must use "I'm going to."
So, instead of "I will go to the mall," it's "I'm going to go to the mall"?
Exactly. Use "will" for sudden decisions, like "I'll answer the phone."
Ah, I see. So if I have a plan, going to is the way to go.
Perfect. Now, let's get into the stuff that makes you sound truly fluent.
I'm ready. What's better than going to?
Try using the phrase, "I'm planning on," followed by an ing verb.
Like, I'm planning on taking a cooking class?
Yes. It sounds much more casual and conversational. It flows better.
I like that. I'm planning on sounds so much more relaxed.
It really does. Now, for the most valuable tip of the day.
Give it to me. What do I say if my plans aren't 100% certain yet?
Use "I'm thinking of," and add the idiom "nothing is set in stone."
Set in stone? Does that mean the plan is permanent?
Actually, it's the opposite. If nothing is set in stone, it means the plan can change.
Oh. So, I'm thinking of going to Japan, but nothing is set in stone yet.
Boom. You sounds like a native speaker living in New York right now.
Wow, those 3 tips are game changers. Let's practice them.
Let's do a role play. I'm your old friend and we just bumped into each other.
Got it. Hey. It's been ages. What are you doing this summer?
I'm going to visit my brother in London in August. What about you?
That sounds fun. I'm planning on staying local and working on my garden.
Nice. Are you going to travel at all during the holidays?
I'm thinking of heading to the beach for a few days, but nothing is set in stone yet.
Well, you should let me know. Maybe we can grab coffee before I leave.
Definitely. I'll call you when my schedule is more fixed.
See how much more natural that felt. No robotic "I will" everywhere.
It felt amazing. It was way easier to keep the conversation going.
Now, it's the viewer's turn to practice.
Pause the video right now and think about your weekend.
Tell us, what are you planning on doing this Saturday?
Write your answer in the comments using "I'm planning on" or "I'm thinking of."
We will be reading and replying to your sentences.
Okay, let's do a super quick recap of what we learned today.
Number 1, use "going to" for firm plans you've already decided on.
Number 2, use planning on plus ing to sound more conversational.
Number 3, use "thinking of" and "not set in stone" for uncertain plans.
I'm never going to use "I will" for my vacation plans ever again.
That's what I like to hear. You're becoming a pro speaker already.
If you found this helpful, you know what to do.
Subscribe for daily English tips and level up your fluency with us every day.
New videos every single day to help you speak like a native.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye everyone. Happy planning!